Get ready to be in awe of the all-new Wonderful Day collection from Creative Memories. You'll love reminiscing on the moments that matter with these everyday scrapbooking supplies that make your memories extraordinary. The wood grain album cover is the perfect foundation for your cherished memories. Add a touch of elegance with our memorabilia mats to complement your photos and embellishments. Create striking borders with the 10 laser cuts that add sophistication to your layouts. You won't want to miss out on this one. Make a statement with stickers. These splendid stickers include icons, titles, borders to accent the photos on your pages. Talk about the perfect paper pairings. The wood grain paper pack includes 12 sheets of designer papers with coordinating colors and patterns. The designer paper pack brings beautiful paper patterns and textures to inspire your creativity. It comes with 12 sheets of 12 by 12 papers. Make titles that stand out with embellishments. These laser cut word embellishments will give your layouts one-of-a-kind accents. The Square Link Chain BMC creates unique and eye-catching borders for your pages. Thinking of something smaller? Our 8x8 Wonderful Day paper album is the perfect size for capturing your favorite moments. Don't miss out on the Wonderful Day collection at Creative Memories.